Hi friends, Amit here again. Today's topic is IELTS cue card. Describe a time when you had to use your imagination. In which you can also combine, there is one more, that describe a time when you got lost. Third cue card you can add here is describe a time when you repaired something by yourself using your own imagination. Fourth one is you can add here is describe a puzzle that you have solved using your imagination. And the last one you can add in this cue card, that is describe a time when your computer broke down. All of these cue card you can give answer using same content which we gonna discuss here. You can say like this. Well, the other day I remember 2 years back, me and my bosom friend went on a vacation to the Kerala. It was around 7-day trip, and after spending couple of initial days, we wanted to explore surrounding places. In surrounding places from the hotel in which we are stayed in. So next day morning we started walking. After taking around 500-600 steps, there was a local souvenir market. Looks very good, attracting to us, so we went there to explore the shops, in which there was one particular shop. I went there because there are plenty of miniatures and local souvenirs. By looking it, I got smitten. Smitten means suddenly attracted. So while noticing and while exploring these stuffs, I forget that I came with my friends as well here, but when I look back there was no one there. So I was little bit surprised, shocked. When I came out of the shop and came out of the market, there was no one there. I was started little bit apprehensive, started worrying about. Soon I knew that I got lost here because there was no one there. Everyone were disappeared. So I started worrying. I was little bit anxious. Soon I got frightened because I wasn't really into English at that time and didn't know even Malayalam, because in Kerala people used to speak only two languages, Malayalam and English, and both languages new alien language for me. Unfortunately, I wasn't in a position to explain those local people that I lost my way, and that time also I wasn't carrying my mobile phone with me, as by mistake I left it in my locker in my hotel, or you can say here there was no network coming out in my mobile phone, so I wasn't able to call any of my friends. I was petrified. Petrified means terrified. Terrified means frightened. Frightened means very worried. And soon I mused myself. I talked myself that I'm gonna find out by myself only using my own imagination. I started imagine from which direction we started working, and by recalling the past moments and reimagining the way, by tried and error method, I reached the place since where we started walking efficaciously. Efficaciously means successful. Soon I beeline to the reception. Beeline means straight away, and asked the manager to call up my friends. They might have looking for me as well. Manager called up and my friends soon reached me, and we all have took some breath of peace. Finally we met each other. So that was a terrifying incident yet exciting experience I had, in which I used my imagination and find out the way. So this is how you can speak for a time when you got lost and using your own imagination. Third one, computer broke down, you can say like this, that the other day I was working on my lappy and having a cup of coffee as well. By sipping a coffee, somehow I dropped the mug of coffee on my keyboard, and suddenly my computer stopped working as all coffee was spilled on the keyboard. I was petrified. because all important things were in the laptop. I was working on important project which I have to submit within a day, and all of my thousands of memories, photographs and all important documents were in the laptop. So I felt I am doomed. What I have to do, I didn't know. Then I mused myself. Muse means encourage yourself, and decided to repair the laptop by myself using my own imagination. So what I did, first thing first, I separated it, battery from the laptop, and tried to dry out the battery and laptop as itself using my hair dryer. I thought might be it worked and it dried out and it will start again, but it didn't start. So as a second attempt, what I did using my imagination, I kept the battery outside in the sunlight for a while, thinking that maybe after getting some sunlight it will work. But it was a fail attempt. And as a last attempt, I decided to keep my laptop and battery both in a sunshine for long hours. So I kept it for a whole day. On the next day morning, when I joined it together and when I plugged it into the power socket, without any efforts, it started working. I was over the moon as I saved that much money, and without going anywhere, without spending a single penny, I repaired my laptop by myself using my own imagination. I was over the moon. I was on the seventh sky that my laptop started working. So that was a moment when my computer broke down, when I used my own imagination, when I repaired something by myself. I hope this will be very useful to you guys. For more videos, stay updated with me. Thank you.